Hello, this is Cynthia, and I welcome you to this Yoga Nidra practice. This is day 17 of our 21-day New Year Reset experience. Today's Yoga Nidra is a journey inward, a return to the radiant center of your being, the place where your spirit shines even when life feels heavy or dim. This is a practice of remembering, a practice of renewal, a practice of restoring your inner light. Find a comfortable position where you can be completely at ease. You may choose to lie down on your mat, your bed, or anywhere you can be fully supported. Use pillows, blankets, or bolsters, anything that helps you feel held. Allow your arms to rest naturally at your sides with the palms open. Let your legs fall into their natural shape. Let your jaw soften, your eyes close, and take a slow breath in and a long, gentle breath out. Feel the weight of your body being received by the earth. Feel the ground holding you. Feel yourself arriving. Now, place one hand over your heart and the other over your belly. Imagine your breath moving in a soft loop from the belly to the heart and back down again. You inhale for a slow count of 4, feeling the belly rise, then the heart gently lift beneath your hand, and you exhale for a count of 6, letting the heart soften, the belly fall, the whole body melt deeper into stillness. Inhale, gathering light. Exhale, releasing heaviness. Continue this gentle rhythm, a 4 count inhale, a 6 count exhale, a breath pattern that signals your nervous system that you are safe. With each inhale, imagine drawing in a soft golden glow. With each exhale, imagine the glow spreading through your chest, your ribs, your whole being. Let the breath become smooth, circular, luminous. You're inhaling for a count of 4 and exhaling for a slow count of 6. When you feel ready, let your hands rest gently at your sides and allow the breath to return to its natural rhythm. Embrace now your inner light. In this state of stillness now, let your sankalpa, your heartfelt intention, arise. A sankalpa is a quiet truth you choose to remember, a seed of light planted deep within your awareness. Your sankalpa could be something like, I'm a vessel of light, or my spirit is renewed. I'm a vessel of light, or my spirit is renewed, or your chosen sankalpa. Silently now repeat your sankalpa 3 times as if it's already true. And as you set your intention, gently remind yourself, I'm practicing Yoga Nidra, I'm awake, I am safe, and I'm fully supported. From this place of stillness now, we move into rotation of awareness. awakening the subtle body and igniting the light within each point. As I name each part of the body, imagine a tiny spark of light igniting there, bright, warm, alive. Right hand thumb, index finger, middle, ring, pinky, palm of the right hand, back of the right hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, right side of the chest, right waist, right hip, right thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole of the right foot, top of the right foot, big toe, second, third, fourth, fifth. Moving your awareness now to the left side, the left thumb, index finger, middle, ring, pinky, palm of the left hand, back of the left hand, wrist, forearm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, left chest, left waist, left hip, left thigh, knee, calf, ankle, heel, sole, top of the left foot, big toe, second, third, fourth, fifth. Moving your awareness now to the back body, the tailbone, lower back, middle back, upper back, shoulder blades, back of the neck, back of the head, and finally the crown of the head, a radiant point of light. See your entire body now as a shimmering constellation, a luminous outline resting on the floor. The body is heavy and the spirit is weightless. Journey inward now. Imagine yourself moving gently toward the center of your being, a quiet, sacred place within. Here, see a well of crystal clear water. This is your spiritual reserve, the place where your inner light is stored. Perhaps it has felt dry lately. Perhaps life has asked much of you. Perhaps you've been giving more than you've been receiving. Now, see a golden rain beginning to fall. Soft, warm, luminous droplets descending into the well. Watch the water rise, cool, sparkling, infinite. Step into the well. Feel the water washing over your spirit, cleansing, renewing, restoring. It dissolves fatigue. It dissolves doubt. It dissolves the heaviness you've been carrying. You are drinking from a source that never runs dry. Allow yourself to rest here, in the light, in the renewal, in the infinite well within. Invite these truths to settle gently into your awareness. My inner light is steady and strong. I'm connected to a source that never runs dry. Renewal flows through me with every breath. I am held in peace, clarity, and grace. My spirit shines with ease and purpose. My inner light is steady and strong. I am connected to a source that never runs dry. Renewal flows through me with every breath. I am held in peace, clarity, and grace. My spirit shines with ease and purpose. Choose now the affirmation that resonates most deeply and repeat it silently as you breathe. My inner light is steady and strong. I'm connected to a source that never runs dry. Renewal flows through me with every breath. I am held in peace, clarity, and grace. My spirit shines with ease and purpose. My inner light is steady and strong. I am connected to a source that never runs dry. Renewal flows through me with every breath. I am held in peace, clarity, and grace. My spirit shines with ease and purpose. Release now the affirmations and begin to return your awareness to your breath, the gentle rise and fall. Feel the weight of your body. Feel the support beneath you. Feel the light within you. Return gently to your Sankalpa now, the intention you set at the beginning of this practice. Repeat it silently 3 times, letting it echo softly through your awareness. I am a vessel of light, or my spirit is renewed, or your chosen Sankalpa. Wiggle your fingers and toes now and let small movements return to the body. When you're ready, roll onto your right side, resting in a fetal position. This posture of renewal. This is my prayer for you. May your inner light burn bright and steady. May you remember the well of light that lives within you. May you move through the world with clarity, radiance, and deep inner peace. If you feel ready now, gently return to a comfortable seat. Bring your palms together at your heart center. Thank you for sharing this practice with me today. If this practice brought you peace, I invite you to stay connected inside the Calm Collective. All the details are in the description. Our community for rest, renewal, and nervous system healing. And if this practice brought you peace and calm, I invite you to share it with somebody who could also use a moment of calm. And I welcome you to join me tomorrow for day 18 of our 21-day New Year Reset experience. Until then, may you feel renewed, may you feel luminous, and may you feel deeply at ease.